Hello, I'm Tanya,
And I'm David.
and we are out side by side.
Today we wanted to do a one-year review on our Blackstone Griddle.
Stay tuned and thank you for watching. Look at that view.
So this is our Blackstone Griddle. It's the 22-inch version. We also purchased the stand separately, which folds up and fits nicely into our little storage over here for our outdoor kitchen. The stand also comes with a little side table that comes off. We also purchased I believe it's a 12-foot propane hose that connects directly to our port underneath our trailer. So we don't have to have a separate tank to use this griddle, but if you want to, you can hook it up to a tank separately. I also have another little side table here that we found on Amazon that helps us with our work surface. We also purchased a bag of the tools that you would use to cook with. It came with several different spatulas and scrapers that you use to clean the griddle. It's also nice to have a pair of tongs, and we like to use this Blackstone non-stick griddle spray to help keep the griddle clean and keep it seasoned. This griddle has two separate zones that controls the left and the right, so you have separate heating controls. It also has an automatic igniter that sparks to light the propane, so you don't have to use a match.
So today we're gonna make avocado toast, eggs, and we have leftover bacon. And one of the great things about the Blackstone is you can also warm up food that you have already cooked. Today we're gonna use the 7-sprouted Ezekiel bread. You have to keep it frozen, so we're just gonna throw that straight on the griddle. And then we're gonna make avocado toast, and we'll kind of show you a little bit about how the griddle works. Here are a few of our favorite meals that we've cooked over the last year that we've had the Blackstone. We just wanted to show you that you can really cook anything you want, from breakfast to even fish. We have cooked so many things on the Blackstone and have really enjoyed experimenting with different foods.
This griddle can get really hot, so I've found that you really don't need to use high on most of the things you cook. Medium to low works great. Another tip, make sure that your griddle is level so that certain foods like eggs or the oil doesn't run to the back or to the side. Another reason why we like to use our griddle is the cleanup is really easy. It reduces the amount of pots and pans that you have to clean inside your trailer, which requires your space of your gray tank and all of that. So the way that you clean this griddle is you clean it while it's hot. Basically, you spray a little water on it and you give it a good scraping. Scrape off all the food and grease, and I like to push it right back into the grease catcher that's in the back. This is basically you would treat it like the way you would a cast iron skillet. You don't want to use soap or chemicals on the griddle because you don't want to get put anything on it that would cause it to your food to taste nasty. So I basically just use water only. I give it a final rinse, and and some paper towels. Wipe it down real well. After you get it all rinsed off, I like to put just a nice layer of the griddle spray, so to prevent it from rusting. It also keeps it nice and clean.
So we have really enjoyed the Blackstone Griddle. It's given us a lot of freedom to cook outside without having a lot of dishes. If you have any questions about the Blackstone Griddle, if you're thinking about purchasing one, please let us know. If you have a Blackstone Griddle and you have any comments, please let us know as well. We're always welcoming your comments on our videos.
If you like videos like these, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you for watching, and have a great weekend.